wants to see you crawl, so go get your passy. Oh, I think he'll like that you just got that even more. You want to show Daddy how you play on this? Good job. Show Daddy. Do it again. Do it again. Oh. You gonna be a Longhorn?